Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace an Audi emblem. First, gather your essential tools. You'll need a plastic trim removal tool, a heat gun or hair dryer, and some automotive adhesive remover. Make sure you also have your new Audi emblem and a clean microfiber cloth on hand. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and easy. Now, let's remove the old emblem. Gently heat the emblem with your heat gun for about 30 seconds to soften the adhesive. Then, carefully use your plastic trim tool to pry the emblem away from the surface. Once it's off, apply some automotive adhesive remover to thoroughly clean any remaining sticky residue. Take your time here for a clean finish. Before installing the new emblem, proper surface preparation is crucial for strong adhesion. Make sure the area where the emblem will go is completely clean. Use rubbing alcohol to wipe away any oils, wax, or remaining adhesive residue. It's vital that the surface is thoroughly dry before proceeding to the next step. This ensures a secure bond. Finally, it's time to install your new Audi emblem. Carefully peel the protective backing from the new emblem's adhesive. Take a moment to align it perfectly before gently pressing it into position. Once aligned, apply firm, even pressure for at least 30 seconds to ensure the adhesive bonds securely. Step back and admire your refreshed Audi.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.